అందరికీ నమస్కారం. విశాఖపట్నం స్టీల్ ప్లాంట్ కార్మికులు దీర్ఘకాలంగా ఎదురుచూస్తున్న పెన్షన్ స్కీము ఆపరేషన్లోకి రావడం జరిగింది. దీర్ఘకాలం పాటు కార్మిక సంఘాలు గుర్తింపు యూనియన్గా చేసిన కృషి ఫలితంగా ఈరోజు ఈ స్కీమ్ని మనం ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్లోకి తీసుకురావడం జరుగుతుంది. ఈ స్కీమ్లో 2012 జనవరి 1 నుంచి అమలవుతుంది. 2014 జూలైలో ఒప్పందం జరిగినప్పటికీ వివిధ కారణాల రీత్యా ఈ స్కీమ్ ఆమోదం పొందడం ఆలస్యం అవడం జరిగింది. ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో ఎప్పటికైనా ఈ స్కీమ్ని అమల్లోకి తీసుకురాకపోతే కార్మిక వర్గం నష్టపోతుందని, దీంట్లో యాజమాన్యం నుంచి రావాల్సిన మొత్తాల విషయంలో కొన్ని విభేదాలు ఉన్నప్పటికీ భవిష్యత్తులో దాన్ని పరిష్కరించుకుంటూ మెరుగైన పెన్షన్ స్కీమ్ని మరింతగా అందరి సహకారంతో ముందుకు తీసుకెళ్లడం జరుగుతుంది. ప్రస్తుతం ఈ స్కీమ్కి సంబంధించిన విధి విధానాలు, ఈ స్కీమ్ని సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఎల్ఐసి, ఎస్బీఐ లైఫ్, వీరు ఈ స్కీమ్ తాలూకా వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉన్న ఆప్షన్స్, అవి అమలయ్యే తీరు వివరంగా ఈ గంట నిడివి కలిగిన వీడియోలో తెలియజేయడం జరిగింది. ఈ స్కీములో ఒకసారి ఎంటర్ అయిన తర్వాత, ఆప్షన్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత జీవితాంతం అదే ఆప్షన్ కొనసాగుతుంది. కాబట్టి దీన్ని వివరంగా పూర్తిగా చివరి వరకు చూసి మీ సందేహాలన్నీ నివృత్తి అవ్వడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది. నివృత్తి చేసుకుని మీ అవసరాలకు తగిన ఆప్షన్ని ఎంచుకోవడం ద్వారా భవిష్యత్తులో మీ పెన్షన్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ అన్నది ఏర్పాటు చేసుకోవచ్చుగా కోరుతున్నాం. అదే సందర్భంలో అప్పటికీ మీకు ఏమైనా సందేహాలు మిగిలి ఉంటే మీ హెచ్ఆర్ని కానీ, అదే రకంగా మీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో ఉన్న సిఐటి కార్యకర్తల్ని రేపు రాబోయే కాలంలో రిటైర్డ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ పోర్టల్లో దీనికి సంబంధించి ట్రస్టీల తాలూకా ఫోన్ నెంబర్లు, విధి విధానాలు, మొత్తం ఈ స్కీమ్లో ఉన్న ఆప్షన్స్ వివరాలన్నీ పొందుపరచడం జరుగుతుంది. వాళ్ళకి ఫోన్ చేసి కూడా మీ సందేహాలు నివృత్తి చేసుకోవచ్చు. పూర్తిగా ఈ వీడియోని చూడాల్సిందిగా కోరుతూ అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. పోస్ట్ రిటైర్మెంట్ లైఫ్ని ఆనందంగా గడపాలని కోరుకుంటూ గుర్తింపు యూనియన్ తరఫున మీకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Pension scheme of LIC. Guaranteed lifelong. The difference between interest payment and annuity payment is there. Interest payment is fluctuating. Annuity rate is based on mortality, that is the death rate, interest on government securities. Hence, annuity rates increase with age. Suppose a person wants, age of 60 years wants to purchase an annuity. For 1 lakh, he may get 500 rupees. If a person aged at 70 years wants to purchase same. Next. Pension is long term in nature, payable till lifetime of the annuitant. It is guaranteed lifelong payment. In case there are two types of annuities, ROC option and life option. Under ROC, return of purpose to the whatever is the purchase price at the end of the annuity payments, that is after the demise of the annuitant, the entire purchase price is refunded to the nominee of the annuitant. That is return of purpose operation. Annuity is a promise, assurance. Next one. Selecting insurer. You have lots of options in the market, LIC and other private players are there. When choosing an insurer, the selection should be based on the financial strength of the insurer, regulatory compliance, compatibility, accessibility, approach and sustainability, safety and security. There are lots of companies in the market, but you should check before opting. Once you opt for that annuity option, you cannot change the service provider and you cannot change the option of the pension. Before taking these two decisions, you have to check at the age of 60, suppose a person is retiring, he may live up to 85-90 years, some 25-30 years. So, you should check about the company, whether this company would be able to give us the pension for the next 25 years and 30 years or not. And what after 30 years, after my demise, whether this company will be able to return the corpus amount to my nominee without any hassles. The regular what you want, whether the insurer is able to give or not, accessibility, approach and sustainability. We have 69 offices, pension and group offices, and some 2048 branches across India. Whether this insurance office is nearer to you, whether you have any access to the office or not, these things you have to take into consideration before choosing an insurer. Also important. How long the insurance company is working in the market and what are the guarantees about the company, these things you have to take into account. Life insurance is core business of LIC. It is not that we are doing some other business and this is a part-time business, it is not like that. Life insurance and annuity payments, that is the core business. We are not into, it is not a sister concern or a subsidiary business for us. It is the core business of our LIC. It is not tied up with any other company. The brand is sustaining on its own. The name LIC of India, that is enough to get a recognition. It has sufficient goodwill. There are 4,851 offices all over India. As I have told, we are seeing the previous slide, whether the accessibility is there or not. Across India, we have some 4,851 offices. We are managing 31 lakhs crores of rupee assets. The assets under our management. LIC is the only public sector insurance company wholly owned by Government of India. Annuities paid by LIC enjoy sovereign guarantee under Section 37 of LIC Act. Under Section 37 of LIC Act that is passed by the Parliament, whatever payment is issued by LIC, that is guaranteed by Government of India. It is the only company having the sovereign guarantee. PNGS business, LIC PNGS looks after the group schemes and superannuation business. Manages funds over 7 lakh crores. Funds are managed by pension and group schemes of LIC of India. Superannuation and leave encashment we are managing. Market share is more than 80%. Under the pension and group schemes business, whatever market is there in LIC, we are having 80% schemes with us. Premium collection under this vertical, under pension and group schemes, this year, since 1st April, we have collected more than 1 lakh crores. That shows the confidence posed by the public and the corporate officers in LIC of India. Annuity features, if you opt for this policy, LIC RINL Pension Fund Trust will be the master policy holder. No individual policy for each annuitant will be given. Only one master policy will be issued and the master policy holder will be the RINL. All the retired employees who have opted for LIC as their pension provider, purchasing annuity, will be provided a separate unique annuity number. The master policy will be issued to the RINL Superannuation Trust. Along with it, whoever is opting for purchase of annuity from LIC, they will be given a unique annuity number of pension from the following month, if they are opting for the monthly pension. If they are opting for the quarterly pension, from the next quarter they will be receiving, likewise half-yearly and yearly pension also. Annuity or pension depends on the age of last birth date. Annuity option once exercised, it cannot be changed afterwards. There are certain types, we are explaining all those things to you later. And once you take a proper decision before opting for the option. Once the option is exercised, once the pension has started, the payment has started, you cannot change the options. Individual annuity account, which I have told, every annuitant will be given a unique annuity number. These are transferable across India. Now you are today. Now you are at Visakhapatnam. Tomorrow you may be going to Mumbai or Delhi or any of India. What? There are several types of annuity. One is life annuity. Under life annuity, the pension is payable during the life. The rate of pension is a bit higher here. after death of the annuitant, nothing is payable to the nominee or dependents. If 1 lakh is the purchase price and we are going for annuity of life annuity, every month pension is payable as long as the annuitant is alive, and after his death, nothing is payable to the nominee of the annuitant. The contract comes to an end here. Next to of purpose. Under this option, as long as the annuitant is alive and after his death, the purchase price that will be returned to the nominee, wife or son, whoever is the nominee. That is return of purpose. Likewise, there is joint life. Joint life pension is, it is given, the pension is payable after the demise of both of them, husband and wife, the pension stops and the contract ends. The same option, joint life plus ROC, as long as the wife or husband, as long as they are both alive, it is payable. After one death, till the death of the second life, it is payable. After the death of second life, the purpose amount will be refunded to the joint nominee. It is payable as long as they are alive, and after death, nothing is payable. Under life return of purpose and joint life return of purpose, annuity or pension is payable as long as they are alive, and after death, the fund will be refunded to the nominee. With 50% annuity to spouse on the death of the annuitant. Suppose I have taken this option, as long as I am alive, 100% pension is payable, and after my death, my wife will get only 50% of the pension. And after her death, nothing is payable. Pensions, life guaranteed for 5, 10, 15, 20 years and life thereafter. For example, if somebody has opted for a 20 years guaranteed pension, suppose that a person is alive for only 15 years, after that he died. But here the pension is guaranteed for a minimum period of 20 years. So after his death also, the pension will be paid up to the 20 years. Then the pension payment will stop. Suppose that person is alive up to 25 years, the pension is payable up to 25 years. I hope you got this point. Is it okay?
The last one again.
This 5, 10, 15, 20 years. That is the minimum periods this pension is guaranteed. Suppose when a person is opting for life pension, he may have a doubt. What happens if I die in the second year or third year? If in the third year, if my death happens, my family may be a loser. There, this minimum period is assured. If I opt for 20 years, if I die within these 20 years pension is payable to my family. If I am surviving for more than 20 years, then as long as I am alive, the pension is payable.
What about return of purpose?
Return of purpose is available only under those two options, life plus ROC or joint life plus ROC. All other options are life options. No return of purpose is there.
Is the rate will be same?
No, sir. The rates will vary. Rates will accordingly. For each option, there will be a separate rate.
Which will be more?
Life option will be more, sir.
No. This life guaranteed for 5, 10, 15, 20 years. Which one will be?
5 years will be more, sir. Logically.
No, what you told, life thereafter is there. For example, after 65, then that person is living up to 70. Then he will get at the same rate.
At the same rate.
He lives up to 90, same rate.
Same rate.
But then at 5 will be, then why the other schemes he will take?
Sir, if the person is healthy and he is assured of living up to 90 years, he can opt for the 5-year scheme, sir. But unfortunately, if anything happens to that person in the 6th year, the pension stops there. It depends on each individual choice. Normally, in India, that life ROC and joint life ROC are the most popular schemes. Whereas abroad, they opt for life pension. And then life annuity on death of the annuitant, 50% annuity is payable to the spouse.
Change of nominee
Nominee during his lifetime at any time he can change.
after some time.
Any time he can change. Sometimes it may happen the annuitant may appoint his wife as nominee, but if the wife predeceases the annuitant, he may send the nomination to son-in-law. Pension he can give it to anybody. Pension not pension, return of corpus. Nominee question arises only at the time of in case of return of corpus. And life annuity with increasing simple 3%. Suppose if the annuity this year is 100 rupees, next year it will be 103 rupees, or second year it will be, third year it will be 106 rupees, like that it will be increasing. Simple interest. And the rates under these plans are totally different. This is for example, only the popular options we have given: life plus ROC, joint life plus ROC. The last column, return of corpus under ROC, it is applicable only where the ROC option is exercised. For example, if the next slide, sir. This one, this one. The purchase price will be subject to GST. 1.8% will be the GST chargeable. If the purchase price, net purchase is 1 lakh, the annuitant has to pay 1,01,800. Life pension will be 630. Life plus return of corpus will be 425 rupees. Joint life pension 533 rupees. Joint life plus return of corpus will be 424. Under life ROC and joint life ROC, after the death of annuitants, the return of corpus will be 1 lakh. Plus ROC 424. Likewise, the rates are 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs we have given. Because we have selected only these 4 slabs, because after 2 lakh 50,000 there will be a slight increase. After 7 lakhs 50,000 there will be some more increase. After 10 lakhs also there will be some more increase in here. Yes, sir? Fixed, sir. Once it is fixed for life.
The rates as on date or what date, sir? You are telling.
These are the rates as on today. As on today. If the same person comes to us after 1 month or 2 months, the rates on that date will be applicable. Once they are applied, they are fixed for life. As we have told, many of our members are already retired. So if somebody is opting at 65 years, the rate will be slightly higher. It is 702 rupees here. At 60 years it was 633, but he is opting at 65 years, it will be 702. Likewise, if somebody is coming to purchase at the age of 66, it will be slightly higher than 702 rupees. Copy, bank account details such as account number, IFSC, core banking details are required. Application cum nomination form, there is an application form which the annuitant has to fill it up. For joint life, all these things are required for both the cases. The first of the following month.
Hello.
Organizations today they are declared as AAA rated, and the very next day we are watching them being junk rated. But once pension and annuities they are fixed, they are guaranteed for the life irrespective of the market conditions. Servicing through 69 pension and group schemes units across the country. Pension and group schemes. Presentation. If anybody has any doubts or questions, we will be happy to answer them.
This is as a corporation, and during the government policies, if it goes to the percentage of reduction into privatization. Then also it will be all these things what you have already told to the public. This stands good or not?
All these things stands good, sir. Because we are entering into a contract when the sovereign guarantee is there. I understand your doubt. If tomorrow LIC is privatized, we are not seeing any such thing. But even if that, in such eventuality also, the government cannot absorb itself with a retrospective effect. As of now, whoever is purchasing, government of India is giving a guarantee to that, and the government of India has to stand there.
Is there any possibility of change of annuity at that time? Because of the change of...
No, contract once entered is final.
ROC. Does the pensioner have an option to withdraw from the scheme at any point of time?
No, sir. Pension was fixed, it is fixed for life. Only after death, the purpose is returned to the normal.
Sir, maximum amount how much?
Maximum amount, anything you can put, sir.
In that case, the person, especially say who is retired or maybe who is going to retire, he has got some X amount in his name in the trust. So he wants to increase the pension, he brings some outside amount and gives to you. Will you take it?
Sir, it has to come through the trust because the trust is the master policy holder.
Master policy holder is or say he has got some.
Sir, master policy holder, if master policy is the holder is giving you 1 crore, we will take 1 crore.
Sale already LIC and all the agreed to give a separate check direct to ASP, not through trust. Trust is sponsoring the money. At the same time, the check also handed over to the ASP, not to the trust. Because outside money, trust cannot accept as per the trust balance.
2 annuity numbers will be given, sir.
The same rate.
Same rate.
Please advise from your experience. What we should prefer, life or life plus ROC? What should be better?
Sir, it is a...
You advise.
I have already told you, sir, in India the popular options are life plus ROC or joint life plus ROC. And I have seen people opting for life pension whose children are employed and settled in abroad. And it is an individual choice.
Social dimensions.
If they are experts, they advise.
LIC
10, 15, 20 years ప్లాన్ ఉంది. 20 years తర్వాత 25 లైఫ్ ఉంటే వాళ్ళకి అదే యాన్యుటీ వస్తుంది.
Sir, ఇప్పుడు
5 years తీసుకుంటే 5 years తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఆ వ్యక్తి నెక్స్ట్ 20 years లైవ్ లో ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, మరి ఇది ఎలాగ వర్తిస్తుంది అప్పుడు?
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 5 years అతనికి 100 రూపీస్ పెన్షన్ ఫిక్స్ అయింది అనుకున్నాం. సేమ్ పర్సన్ 10 years ఆప్షన్ తీసుకుంటే 50 రూపీస్ ఫిక్స్ అయింది అనుకున్నాం. ఫర్ జస్ట్ అంటే సపోజ్ ఇతను 2 years తర్వాత చనిపోయినా 100 రూపీస్ 5 years పేమెంట్ అవుతుంది ఫ్యామిలీకి, తర్వాత బంద్ అయిపోతుంది. సపోజ్ ఇతను 25 years ఉన్నాడు అనుకోండి, 100 rupees is payable to all the 25 years. Suppose at the same time there are, let us assume that there are 2 persons. ఒక అతను 5 years ఆఫ్ చేశాడు, ఇంకొక అతను 20 years ఆఫ్ చేశాడు. 5 years అతనికి మనం 100 rupees రేట్ ఫిక్స్ చేసాం, 20 years అతనికి 50 rupees ఫిక్స్ చేసాం. వీళ్ళిద్దరూ కూడా అప్ టు 90 years వరకు బతికారు అనుకుందాం అనుకోండి. ఫార్చునేట్లీ ది ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ విల్ గెట్ 100 rupees till 90. Unfortunately, the second person will be getting 50 rupees only till 90. Sir, before that the question comes ROC or without ROC?
Sir, Rashtragar, 5 years, 20 years. The example which you are telling now, you go for the reverse. No, they are not talking about ROC. 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Somebody is actually 5 years and he lives up to 90 years. And 20 years person also lives up to 90 years. And
the reverse is that. Same 5 years, 20 years మనం మాట్లాడినట్టు 5 years అతనికి మనం 100 rupees ఫిక్స్ చేసాం. I think everybody is comfortable with Telugu. ఇప్పుడు 5 years అతనికి మనం 20 years ఫిక్స్ చేసాము. సారీ, ఒక పర్సన్ కి మనం 5 years 100 rupees ఫిక్స్ చేస్తాము, ఇంకో పర్సన్ కి 20 years 50 rupees ఫిక్స్ చేస్తాం. సపోజ్ బోత్ డైడ్ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ ఇయర్, 5 years ఆఫ్ చేసిన వారికి 100 rupees లెక్క 5 years పేమెంట్ అవుతుంది. 20 years ఆఫ్ చేసిన అతని వైఫ్ కి 50 rupees లెక్క 20 rupees పేమెంట్ అవుతుంది. 20 years పేమెంట్. That is the question.
That's what he is, I could make out.
Sir, any
Providing any better options. Only academic interest.
Sir, if there are 10 shops in the market, 10 shops will provide 10 different rates. It is for you to choose whether you are going for the quantity or quality, and there are a lot of things.
Or you have to go for the after sales service.
No, there are so many things. Because ultimately, lot of people, whatever we discuss, 98% they will decide, they will go for ROC option only. We may, for academic interest or for some other interest, we may discuss. And if you want, I can specifically tell the rates for each age, for all those options. But ultimately, we cannot, in Indian context, we cannot digest a thing that I am purchasing an annuity for 10 lakhs for my life, and after my death, nothing is payable to my family. This thing we are unable to digest in India. So 98 to 99% they will go for ROC option. Life ROC or joint life ROC. And the most important thing is that when I am alive, that I am supposed to get this, you are not giving me proper service, or in time I am not getting the pension. As long as I am alive, even if I am 80 years, 90 years old, I am confident that I can do these things. But after my death, whether my wife has to run from pillar to post to check whether the office is available or not, if the office is available, whom to go, these things, so many things come into picture. Yes, sir.
Settlement process ఏంటి సార్?
Settlement process అంటే
After death of the member, ROC కి ఏమేం డాక్యుమెంట్స్ కావాల్సి వస్తుంది నెంబర్?
ట్రస్ట్ సర్టిఫికేట్, డెత్ సర్టిఫికేట్ సర్టిఫికేట్ చేసి డిశ్చార్జ్ అవుతారు ఇస్తే పేమెంట్ చేస్తాం.
సెటిల్మెంట్ అయిపోతుంది.
Again, how many has to
It depends upon whoever the trust member that.
In the joint life and ROC, after the death of the actual annuitant, there will not be any possibility of getting the ROC for the spouse.
No, you have to exercise the option initially.
We have after the joint life.
But you are telling that at the wife ki pension rakunda ROC వచ్చారు. Yes sir, once the option is exercised, that is final.
Because the situations and circumstances may change during the tenure of this span of this.
I understand sir, but the rate is fixed based on the option at the inception.
There is no possibility.
No possibility.
change of nominee?
ఆర్ఓసిది ఎంప్లాయీ సూపర్వైజేషన్ అయినప్పుడు మీ దగ్గర యాన్యుటీ కొనుక్కుంటాం. ట్రస్ట్ వాళ్ళు మీకు డబ్బులు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తారు, మీరు యాన్యుటీ ఇస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళు నామినీ రాస్తాడు ఎవరికో. ఒక 10 years తర్వాత సూపర్వైజర్ ఏదో అయితే ఆ నామినీ వీడే అని ట్రస్ట్ వాళ్ళు ఇక్కడ ఎలా సర్టిఫై చేయగలరు? మరి ట్రస్ట్ సర్టిఫికేట్ చేస్తేనే కదా మీరు యాన్యుటీ ROC తిరిగిస్తాం అంటున్నారు.
Sir, as per existing practices ఏంటంటే master policy holder is trustee. So we insist getting this discharge voucher from trustee. Trustee నుంచి రాకపోయినప్పుడు we have been waiving such conditions. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడో అబ్బాయి అమెరికాలోనో లేకపోతే రష్యాలోనో ఉన్నారు, there is some difficulty, definitely we are waiving. But as per practice,
The yeast out is very valid. The chances of, let us assume, somebody takes an answer 60, he lives up to 90 and he has got an ROC option. and I am seeing and normally nominee is wife.
Yes.
Unfortunately, she predeceases him,
Yes.
and he changes the option to his son, who is, as
No,
I said,
yeah,
who is in Russia. The problem is, once if it is he changed the nominee, and that man cannot to come back to the RINL trust. So those things, because people are worried that way, because most of the people, all the kids, most of the kids, every house, you know very well. Everyone is in abroad,
Yes.
on the different places, and so they are worried about that. So that option should be like, see, everything is fine. Come back, because after 20 years, the whole organization will change. The trust will change. Everything will be changed. After 20 years, he doesn't know the employee, and probably his nominee who has changed, because once the nominee is changed, what will happen? No? It is only between a LIC and this thing. My wife was predeceased, so I come and tell this is my son's name, I put it. What will happen? So those things, there should be a clear-cut facility. That is what is worrying. That option of he is coming back to that boy or girl will not remember where my papa has worked in 90 years, 40 years. He himself at the time of retirement stage aa jayega. So he may not be knowing where is RINL at that time. There could be so many changes. So there should be an option to the thing. He can come and certify those things, and he should get that money.
That will be considered. No issue.
That probably that assurance they want. So that is
Actually, you are telling only one possibility, that the wife is predeceased. In the second possibility, the wife may also live up to 90 years. And there is a normal gap of 10 years between husband and wife.
Yeah.
So after 40 years, this thing may happen. That possibility is there.
Say, as long as in there within India, with this thing, there will be no point to do it. Because
In India also, sir, if there is practical difficulties there,
that was the fair worry.
we accept it, there is practical difficulties there, and in case of difficulty, we are very lenient. Sir, you are asking something. Sir, you are asking something.
వాలంటరీ టాప్అప్ సంబంధించి మేము టాప్అప్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత మీరు 2 యాన్యుటీస్ అన్నారు. ట్రస్ట్ నుంచి ట్రస్ట్ దగ్గర ఏదైతే డిపాజిట్ అయ్యిందో అది మీకు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది. నాకు అది సఫిషియెంట్ కాదు. నేను అడిషనల్గా అమౌంట్ని మీకు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాను బై త్రూ చెక్. ఈ రెండింటిని క్లబ్ చేసి ఒకే యాన్యుటీ మీరు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయాలి.
2 యాన్యుటీస్ వస్తాయి సార్.
అది 2 యాన్యుటీస్ కానీ మీ అంటే సేల్ అగ్రిమెంట్లో
విత్ ద సేమ్ రేట్ 2 యాన్యుటీస్ ఇస్తాం.
వాళ్ళు ఒకటే యాన్యుటీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు.
ఒక యాన్యుటీ అవ్వదు. ఎందుకంటే పర్చేజెస్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్. We cannot enter into contract with 2 persons. The contract will be only with 1 person. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మీరు చెప్తారు, మీరు ఇద్దరు కాంట్రాక్ట్ లో ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నారు. నేను ఒకే కాంట్రాక్ట్ మీకు అగ్రిమెంట్ పేపర్ నేను ఇవ్వడం అదే అవుతాం అంటే లీగల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్వాలిడ్. ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇఫ్ సైడ్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్, అండ్ ఇఫ్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్, హౌ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ తెలియదు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, మీకు ట్రస్ట్ 10 lakhs ఇస్తుంది, మీరు 10 lakhs పెడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒకే డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇద్దరికి ఇవ్వలేను.
ఇంట్లోనే మీరు 2 బ్రేకప్స్ అంటే ఇండివిజువల్ ఆప్షన్, వాలంటరీ కాంట్రిబ్యూషన్, ట్రస్ట్ త్రూ ట్రస్ట్, ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపి తీపించి ఒక యాన్యుటీ. ఇప్పుడు 2 యాన్యుటీస్ ఇచ్చినా ఒక లైఫ్ సర్టిఫికేట్ సరిపోతుంది.
లైఫ్ సర్టిఫికేట్ మీద మీరు 10 నంబర్లు రాస్తే 10 నంబర్స్ కి తీసుకుంటాం మేము. లైఫ్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ప్రొఫార్మా ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే యాన్యుటీ నెంబర్స్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ఉంటాయి. మీరు అందులో ఎన్ని నంబర్స్ ఇస్తే మేము అన్ని నంబర్స్ కి అది వ్యాలిడేట్ చేస్తాం.
సింప్లిఫై చేయగలిగితే ఏదైనా ఇప్పుడు ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టుగా నామినీ విషయంలో తిరిగి ట్రస్ట్ని అప్రోచ్ అవ్వడం, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న మాకు పర్మిషన్స్, వాళ్ళు ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఇక్కడ అప్రోచ్ అవ్వడం, ఇటువంటి వాటి అన్నింటినీ కూడా మీరు మినిమైజ్ చేయగలిగితే అంటే బెస్ట్ చూస్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు మీ సర్వీసెస్ని అన్ని కోణాల నుంచి చూస్తారు. ఓన్లీ పేమెంట్ కోణమే కాదు, తర్వాత రిటర్న్ ఆఫ్ క్యాపిటల్ని మేము తీసుకునేటప్పుడు దాంట్లో కూడా కాంప్లికేషన్ లేకుండా వీలైనంత సింప్లిఫై చేయగలిగితే మీ దాన్ని మా జోనల్ హెచ్ఆర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా ఈ ప్రొవిజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. మీరు క్యాపిటల్ రిటర్న్ కూడా ఇబ్బంది పడక్కర్లేదు, ఈ రకంగా ఉంది, ఇది సింప్లిఫై మెథడ్, సింపుల్ డెక్లరేషన్తో అవుతుంది అనే దానికన్నా లేదు మళ్ళీ మీ జోనల్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలి, మీ ట్రస్ట్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే ఇది కాంప్లికేటెడ్ ఇష్యూగా.
అది ఇప్పుడు జోనల్ ఆల్రెడీ సార్ అది డిస్కస్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు కాదు, ప్రీవియస్లీ ఆల్సో డిస్కస్డ్ ఇట్ మెనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్స్. నా ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఎనీ ఇన్సూరర్ విల్ గో బై ద గైడ్ లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐఆర్టీ. ఐఆర్టీ ఏం చెప్తుందంటే మాస్టర్ పాలసీ హోల్డర్ ఇస్ ద అథారిటీ. సో యాజ్ అ గవర్నమెంట్ కంపెనీ మేము ఏం చేస్తామంటే వీ గో అకార్డింగ్ టు దోస్ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. ఎనీ కంపెనీ, గవర్నమెంట్ కంపెనీ ఆర్ ప్రైవేట్ కంపెనీ అదే. బట్ అట్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే మేము ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ గా ఉంటాం. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ సమ్ రీజన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు గెట్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ట్రస్టీస్, వీ వేవ్ ద కండిషన్స్. Delay అవుతుంది సార్.
For example, we are having some 20 lakhs one individual is having. Can he break it into 3 types of annuities or 4 types of annuities?
Sir, as I have already told, there are some incentives. After 2,50,000, 5 lakhs, 7,50,000, 10 lakhs. If you are breaking it into 4 parts and 4 parts are more than 10 lakhs, it is good. But if you are breaking 10 lakhs into 4 parts, the 2,50,000 rate will be applicable.
Okay, for 5 lakhs you will put ROC, for 5 lakhs
Yeah.
for 5 lakhs, like that.
Only that rates incentives will be changing.
Okay.
You can take some 9 number of options. For same option also you can take 3 policies. Suppose life ROC, you are having 3 lakhs and you want to take 3 policies. For one the nominee will be my wife, for one nominee will be my son, for the third one my nominee will be my daughter. You can take. But the 1 lakh rate will be applicable.
చెప్పండి సార్.
మాస్టర్ పాలసీ హోల్డర్ ద్వారానే వెళ్ళాలా లేకపోతే డైరెక్ట్ గా అప్రోచ్ అవ్వచ్చా అంటే
ఇనిషియల్ స్టేజ్ లో అయితే కంపల్సరీ మాస్టర్ పాలసీ హోల్డర్ నుంచే రావాలి.
వస్తుంది అదేంటి ఇష్యూ కాదు. సబ్సిక్వెంట్ గా చేంజ్ చేయాలి.
సబ్సిక్వెంట్ గా చేంజ్ చేసినప్పుడు యాజ్ మచ్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి రూటెడ్ త్రూ ద ట్రస్ట్.
టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ నామినేషన్.
చేంజ్
నామినేషన్ yes sir. చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ నామినేషన్
త్రూ ట్రస్ట్ వారికి మేము అడ్వైజ్ చేస్తాం. Exceptional conditions, if somebody is living very far off, if the identity is established, we will accept. Thank you for
presentation in connection with this particular scheme. Last month we have given one presentation in administrative office with I think some of your colleagues here, those people might be present. So on that day, one main clarification that was asked was regarding the settlement of claims and our rates. So now we are ready with different rates of different annuity plans also. And one of our respected members on that day asked one main point, which on that particular point I could not clarify. Now we are ready with Krishnamohan garu regarding after starting of annuities of an individual member, he will be residing somewhere all around India, and whenever any death happens, and take the LROC option is exercised, then without intervention of management itself, they can take the annuity. That particular clearance has been given from our head office. That mail also we have given. So the employee will be taking pension day after LROC option, turn of corpus option, and then if at all any death happens, when again they have to paper signed, countersigned by the management authorities, that it is to be waived like that. It has been asked, and that official mail also we have sent that. Nominee can directly approach any offices of SBI Life all over India, some around 1,000 offices, and they can clear off that dues like that. So our presentation, it will be very short only. You have already, I think, half an hour. That some points may be common also, because IRDA stipulated plans only we will be selling. So annuity options and other things will be same. So I will quickly get through my presentation, and then you can, in between or after completion also, you can ask any queries if at all anything is not clear. partnership with a global partner called BNP Paribas Cardiff for technological support. In 2001, we have taken the support of Paribas. A Cardiff Group is a #1 bank in France, and State Bank of India both have started one insurance company. Now we are entering into 20th year of our existence, and in all these 20 years, we are doing very good business in the market, and around 1.2 lakh crores is our AUM that our financials also previously shared. So quickly after giving a brief about SBI Life, this particular plan is called Swarna Jeevan. Swarna Jeevan is a group immediate annuity plan. So one employer can take in the name of a group of employees this product. It is called as Swarna Jeevan. It's an immediate annuity plan. What is immediate annuity plan means 1 month after we get the money. That means annuity options can be monthly, quarterly, half yearly and yearly. But generally people will take monthly annuity option. So immediately after taking off money from company, after 1 month, same date the annuity will start. That is called immediate annuity. Immediately from next month the annuity will start. The annuity options are monthly, quarterly, half yearly, but generally people will take monthly option only. So mainly employer-employee groups will be taking this annuity plan. Employee may be contributing, or both only employer may be contributing. So there will be some scheme rules. These scheme rules will be defined by the management only, and plan will have some broad guidelines. So as far as the plan is okay, the scheme rules will go. That means any early retirement also we will allow, because for minimum group member the annuity starting age is 30 years. So from 30 years, whenever employee is exiting, some organizations are giving the annuity for resignation case also if they complete a minimum service. So annuity starting age is 30 years. So even from family pensions also it is there. So spouse says that minimum contributions are like this, and the fund should be like that. That minimum monthly annuity should be 1,000 rupees. Otherwise, we have to pay the full amount back. So the some minimum stipulation is there. So generally for this immediate annuity, one-time payment will only be there. So whenever employee is exiting, these schemes are called defined contribution and defined benefit. Last time I have discussed. Our RIL plan is called defined contribution plan. So we are not specifying any specific pension. Whatever your contribution will purchase, that will be the pension. So this particular scheme is called defined contribution scheme. Contribution will be defined, and the contribution will purchase a pension. So here the minimum pensions are there, and one-time payment will be there, and minimum 10 members, that group size, all these things are there. And main discussion should happen on this particular slide. This clarity for retiring employees also should come on this slide, sir. There are some different annuity options are there. So how you want to have your annuity? So all this is as the name differs, the modus operandi also differs. For example, first thing, if you take the life annuity, back. First we will just broadly discuss it, then we will go individually deeper. So life annuity is as long as retiring employee is alive, the amount will be paid and stops on the death of the employee. And the second one is life annuity with return of purchase price. So there is what is purchase price here? Whatever company organization is giving, that employer is giving, it is the purchase price for the policy. So entire purchase price excluding GST. GST on this plan is 1.8%. So whatever amount is paid by the employer, 1.8% will be taken as GST and will pay to central government, and remaining amount will be used to purchase the annuity. So in second option, the total amount paid by the employer minus 1.8% will be refunded back to the nominee in second option. So in first option, there is no refund of capital. Generally we call it as LRO, return of capital. So in the second option, the entire corpus will be returned back. So annuity amount received in the first option will be quite high, and second option it will be less, because capital is returned back on the death of the annuitant. Second of life annuity will be there, and on the death of the annuitant, balance purchase price will be refunded. That means it is a in between life annuity and LROC. So full purchase price will not be refunded, and whatever there will be one EMI will be there, and the balance part of purchase price will be refunded on the death of the tenant after some years. And the fourth option is annuity is guaranteed for some years and thereafter life. In general government services it is there. So guaranteed for 5 years and life, 10 years for life, 15 years for life, like that it is there. That means the annuity will be paid as long as employee is alive. And then if at all death happens before the N years, because if at all we take the N as 15 years. So it is guaranteed for 15 and thereafter for life. So if any death happens before 15 years, it will be paid to the nominee up to completion of 15 years. And then also return of corpus is not there. They are also guaranteed for 15 years only. This life annuity and amount factor for something equal will be there if you take the mathematical figures. And increasing life annuity. So starts with low, every year annuity will be increasing, but smaller, simple increasing by 3%. And the another option is called joint life annuity. After life annuity, this particular option some people will exercise. If not, you take a male employee, the particular annuity will be paid to the employee as long as he is alive, and then to his spouse till second life is alive. So both husband and wife or wife and husband are guaranteed annuity. In life annuity, after first death it will be over. In second life also will get the annuity. And joint life annuity with return of purchase price. Both will get the annuity, and after the second person, the purchase price will be paid to the nominees or the employee or spouse. And joint life annuity with guaranteed for some years. So generally in our experience, because I will be I am dealing with this annuities since last roughly 15-20 years. Many people will exercise life annuity with return of purchase price, joint life annuity with return of purchase price, or joint life annuity. These are the percentage I see more. Just for your academic interest I am telling, not any recommendation, just telling you. So many people, because it will be taken just like a investment and capital return will be expected. So option 2, and then joint life with option 2, or some people joint life annuity, only pure joint life annuity. Next. So life annuity payable as long as he is alive, and it will cease on the death of the annuity. So in this option, the annuity amount will be more. If in the further slides we will understand. So life annuity, the monthly annuity will be more than the LROC option. If one wants a return of purchase price, the annuity option amount will be less. And if only life annuity is taken, the annuity physical monthly amount will be more. So in LROC, as long as a member is alive, annuity will be paid. On the death, total price minus this 1.8% GST will be returned back to the nominee. So in annuity application itself, the nominee name and this relation and date of birth that will be taken. And you can have multiple nominees also, where the percentage also can be specified. So that place will provide 2 to 3 nominees also, and shares also can be provided. So that application itself caters to the multiple nomination also. So next one. So in the get more purchase price because refund will be more, and if at all employee takes more years annuity, then the balance purchase price will be less. This somewhat typical calculation will be there. So guaranteed for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, like that it will be the test like we have discussed. In case before that stipulated years that happens, up to the end of that particular period, the annuity will be continued. But this also a life annuity, and after guaranteed period, there will not be any return of corpus. In increasing annuity, the annuity will be increased by a specified percentage. In our case, it is 3% increasing annuity rates, 5% increasing annuity rates will be there. So it is just like annuity starts with low, and then every year our inflation will be increasing, so annuity rate also 5% simply it is increasing. So in joint life annuity, both member and member spouse will be given annuity. So in joint life annuity also you can choose 100% annuity to the spouse or 50% annuity to the spouse. All these options, the interest calculations will be different and the amounts will vary. Next.
Last one.
Joint life with return of purchase card. This is also a somewhat popular option. The annuity will be provided to the member, then to the spouse, then to the purchase price will be returned back to the nominee. I will be using this annuity word. Annuity is nothing but pension. In technical terminology in insurance, the product is called annuity. So that is nothing but pension. So monthly pension. Okay. So in life annuity, the amount will not be payable and the return of corpus options only. Life annuity with return of corpus or joint life annuity with return of corpus, the annuity purchase price will be returned back to the nominee. So here we will have one calculation, just next one. These are the rates and I am telling you this annuity rates will be in every company. They will be publishing almost it will be changing on month basis, not every month. But last January we have given new annuity rates and this month March also same annuity rates are being continued. So whenever any annuity rates are changing, we will be immediately informing because on the month end first day only we will be receiving the information. We will inform to the employer. So that the rates they may be changing. Not that every month they will be changing. Since last month these are the 3 months these are the annuity rates. You see the life annuity rate is 82 rupees and return of corpus rate is 57 rupees. Like that changes will be there. And we have given one calculator to the pension department. That calculator, if you give the amount, which annuity option, how much amount you will get, amounts will be coming. And we also will be sharing with you and we will complete first the PPT. It will be applicable to all your employees because I am seeing the purchase price which is being given to each and every employee. I think if it will be more than 5 lakhs. Then some additional rates will be added to the basic rates. First we have shown the basic rates and for higher amounts we will be adding this amount. So if at all every employee will be getting this 5 lakh and above means this 4.25 will be added to the basic rate and the annuity will be fixed. So one calculation we see sir, whatever amount you are giving, that amount if you put there and the age you put there, entire amounts will come sir. So this is a very simple tool we have developed, an Excel sheet only with formulas. So in this case if you see 10 lakhs has been given,
1 lakh.
10 lakhs 10 lakh. And then 4,890 for every option. Major options I have taken options and annuity rates has been given sir. This is the basic rate and this is the discount we are offering for higher sum assured and this rate on calculation will be done. This is the final amount you are going to get on the next month. So this is the amount every month. Once this annuity rates will be applicable for this whatever amount has been given. Annuity rates decreased or increased also. This is the fixed amount. There will not be any change. If annuity rates are changed, that will be for people entering for next month, not for people who have started annuity. This amount you have invested your amount for this amount means this amount will be lifelong fixed. For next month retiring people, the amount may be equal, may be less, may be more. That we cannot say. So whatever annuity rates, prevailing annuity rates, will be given to you. This calculation has been done on March annuity rates and January, February, March same rates we are keeping it. And April any change is there, we will inform you. So up to 31st March investments, these rates will be applicable. I think this in April also there will not be any change, but we will be informing the same to you. This tool. Very simple tool sir. This particular tool you just keep the amount and generally every employee will be of 60 years of age only. Age also you can change, amount you can change. All options these amounts will come. So they can choose whatever option they want. That also in joint life only one problem will come. Joint life cannot be in table, even cannot be in rate will depend upon retiring employee's age plus spouse age. For every spouse age, that will be very band will be both. 60 for 60 retiring employee, spouse may be 50, spouse may be 60, spouse may be 62 also. So this band for every these combination of ages we have to take one rate. So that rate only we can inform you if you give the combination. Retiring employee age and the spouse age you have to give both age. That also we have separately calculated for 60 and 55 just for academic interest. One standard 5 years gap we have taken, one calculation we have given, but this has to be taken with both ages into consideration. That particular age we cannot just predict. So these are the annuity rates. The main discussion point is every employee has to specifically select one annuity option. This one annuity option, once selected, once annuity fixed, that cannot be changed. So we have to fix an annuity option which is suitable to our lifestyle, suitable to our requirement. One person's requirement may not be suitable to other person's. One may be lacking JLROC, one may be lacking joint life with return of purchase price. So every person has to take their own call. We can give in what option, how much rate we are giving, that we can give the information. So we have to select this. The operation, how the scheme will be operated. RNL will be taking on Swarnajivan policy, and there will be a 3-page proposal application which has to be filled by each and every outgoing employee, and their Aadhaar, PAN and bank account details will require with one photograph. These are minimum KYC requirements only we will take it. And nominee name and nominee date of birth and their address we require. And that application will be filled, and the application will be regularly taking that application from your office, and amount will be alienated from RNL account to annuity or pension to your bank account, and regularly every month it will be coming to you without any manual intervention. So now every month it has to be paid, or check will come like that. It was simply every month on a specified date you will be receiving that annuity. And yearly once we have to give one life certificate. It is called certificate of existence, and that is also you can visit this COE by giving your Aadhaar card and other things, and you can visit any nearest SBI office and you can submit your COE. It is only yearly once. Which month your annuity starts, from that month you will be giving that this thing, and that is also nearest SBI office you can give and you can close it. It is only yearly once. So my simple request is to study the options thoroughly and select your option, best option which is suitable to you. మీకు ఏదైతే బాగా సూటబుల్ అవుతుందో ఆ ఆప్షన్ దయచేసి మీరు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ సర్వీస్ అండ్ అదర్ థింగ్స్ విషయంలో 100% విల్ బి హియర్ ఓన్లీ విల్ బి విత్ యూ. అండ్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ 12 years long relationship of SBI Life with RINL regarding our guarantee fund management also. We will be regularly, we are visiting these premises. Individual members we may not have met, but pension pay also regularly we are meeting, and SBI Life works on a digital mode, so even applications and all these things also digitally also can be submitted. Scan copies also can be submitted from your office, and so that that will be very fast and this thing. And you will be getting an individual annuity certificate that will be your record. So that will be the annuity option, and purchase price will be written on that application. It is just like a deposit certificate will be with you, and anytime that particular certificate can be used to get back the money if you opted LROC or JLROC option. LROC and JLROC can opt చేసుకుంటే కనుక మళ్ళీ రిఫండ్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఆ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఒక డిపాజిట్ సర్టిఫికేట్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. అందులో స్పెసిఫిక్ గా ఎంత అమౌంట్ వస్తుందో కూడా రాసి ఉంటుంది. అందులో స్పెసిఫిక్ గా మళ్ళీ 1.8 GST కూడా ఉంటుంది. మిగిలిన అమౌంట్ కి ఎంతకి మనకి ఎలిజిబిలిటీ ఉందన్నది ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ క్లియర్, అండ్ దట్ కెన్ బి కెప్ట్ విత్ యూ, అండ్ వీ విల్ సప్లై డూప్లికేట్ ఆల్సో. అది పెద్ద అంటే పోతే ఏదో అవుతున్నట్టు కూడా కాదు, అది వీ విల్ సప్లై యూ డూప్లికేట్ ఆల్సో, బట్ దట్ విల్ బి సెంట్ టు యువర్ ఇండివిజువల్. అందుకే యానిటీ అప్లికేషన్ లో మీరు మీ అడ్రస్, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ అడ్రస్ రాస్తారు. మీరు RNL కి రావాలి సర్టిఫికేట్, యానిటీ సర్టిఫికేట్ విల్ బి సెంట్ టు ద అడ్రస్ స్పెసిఫైడ్ ఇన్ ద యానిటీ అప్లికేషన్. ఆ అప్లికేషన్ లో వస్తుంది. దానిలో యానిటీ స్టార్టింగ్ డేట్ ప్లస్ మీకు కంపెనీ ఇచ్చిన అమౌంట్ రెండు రాసుకుంటారు. సో అమౌంట్ మీ పేరు పొందినట్టు ప్లస్ ఆ పత్రంలో ఆ దగ్గర మీకు యానిటీ పేమెంట్ అవుతుందని మీకు అది
వాలంటరీ టాపప్ అందులో ఇంక్లూడ్ చేసినప్పుడు మీరు సింగిల్ యాన్యుటీ ఇస్తున్నారా?
ఏంటి సార్?
ట్రస్ట్ నుంచి సమ్ అమౌంట్ వస్తుంది, 5 lakhs ట్రస్ట్ నుంచి వచ్చింది.
అదే సార్ లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా యానిటీ టాపప్ గురించి చెప్పుకున్నాం సార్. ఏంటంటే దీన్ని మీరు RINL పే చేసి RINL ద్వారా ఆ డబ్బులు మాకు ఇప్పించాలి, అది మొత్తం కలిపి వస్తుంది సార్.
RINL ట్రస్ట్ ఓన్లీ ట్రస్ట్ దగ్గర ఉన్న డబ్బులు మాత్రమే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే,
ఇండివిజువల్ గా మీకు చెక్ సబ్మిట్ చేస్తారు. ఈ రెండింటిని క్లబ్ చేసి ఇస్తారా?
చెక్ కాకుండా ఆన్లైన్ ఇవ్వండి సార్, ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్ సార్,
అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అసలు
100% పాసిబుల్. We do it sir. In decisions we are doing it and we are direct. రెండు ఒకే యాంటీ కింద వస్తాయి సార్, ఒకే యాంటీ కింద వస్తాయి.
అదే రకంగా క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మీ వెబ్సైట్ లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు.
వెబ్సైట్ లో రేట్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్.
అంటే జనరల్ గా మా ఎంప్లాయీస్ కొంతమంది
ఒకసారి మీరు వెనకాల రేట్ ఎంత అవుతుంది తప్ప మనకి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మనకి ఎంత వస్తుందో తెలియదు. దట్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ హాస్ టు బి సప్లైడ్ బై us only. మీకు ఎవ్రీ మంత్లీ వన్స్ మేము
మాకు ఉంచుతారు. జనరల్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఇండివిజువల్ గా వాళ్ళు ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవాలి అని అనుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, విత్ ఇన్ 5 years లో నేను రిటైర్ అవ్వబోతున్నాను, ఈ 5 years లో నా కార్పస్ ఇంత అయితే నాకు ఇంత పెన్షన్ రావడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది, అది ఇలా ఎవరిని అడగకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా మీ సైట్ లో క్యాలిక్యులేటర్, ఈఎంఐ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ లాగా ఏదైనా ప్రొవిజన్ ఉంటే.
అంటే ఏంటంటే సార్, దిస్ పర్టికులర్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఈస్ గ్రూప్ ప్రొడక్ట్ కదా, సో నార్మల్ గా అంటేనే ఈ గ్రూప్ ప్రొడక్ట్ లో అది యానిటీ ప్లస్ అని చెప్పి నార్మల్ గా బిజినెస్ మెన్ ఎవరో ఒకరు తీసుకున్న పాలసీకి సంబంధించిన వివరాలు ఉంటాయి. దానికన్నా ఈ గ్రూప్ లో మనం బెటర్ రేట్స్ ఇస్తున్నాం. సో కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుందంటే గ్రూప్ రేట్స్ విల్ బి మోర్ దాన్ ద ఇండివిజువల్ రేట్స్. మామూలుగా మీరు చెప్పే యానిటీ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఒక ఇండివిజువల్ కస్టమర్ కోసం ఉంటుంది.
అదే గ్రూప్ కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తే
దట్ వీకెన్ మీకు ఇందాక నేను ఒక ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేశాను కదా సార్, అదే విధంగా మీకు 5 ఏళ్ళ సర్వీస్ 10 ఏళ్ళ సర్వీస్ ఉంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందో దట్ వీకెన్ సప్లై యూ, వీకెన్ డూ ఇట్. ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ చేయాలని మనం లెక్కేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ బట్ రేట్స్ మారిపోతుంటాయి కదా సార్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ రూపీ టు రూపీ వీ కెనాట్ టాలీ. Planning can be done. That we will help the employee in planning their retirement. That is sure. Another ఇది కూడా మేము క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసి ఇస్తాం, మీకు అది ప్రాబ్లం కాదు.
ఇప్పుడు సర్టిఫికేట్ ఆఫ్ ఎగ్జిస్టెన్స్ కోసం అదే ఎస్బీఐ కస్టమర్ బ్యాంక్ వెళ్ళొచ్చా?
వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళినా గైడ్ చేస్తారు సార్, బట్ బెటర్ ఏంటంటే నియరెస్ట్ ఎస్బీఐ ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళడం మంచిది.
లైఫ్ ఆఫీస్కే
అవును సార్, ఎస్బీఐ బ్యాంక్ లో కూడా మా దగ్గరికి పంపిస్తున్నాం సార్, మా దగ్గరికి రూట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
ఎస్బీఐ ప్లస్ ఫైనాన్స్ కంపెనీ ఏదని చెప్పారు జాయింట్ కదా, ఎక్కడైనా ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చి ఎస్బీఐ నుంచి వేరే దీనికి ఏందనుకోండి, అప్పుడు సేమ్ యాన్యుటీ ఇస్తారా లేకపోతే ఏంటి
సార్? అసలు ఓనర్షిప్ సంబంధమే లేదు సార్. మీకు ఇవాళ యాన్యుటీ స్టార్ట్ అయిన యాన్యుటీకి వీఆర్ లైబుల్ ఫర్ లైఫ్ లాంగ్ ఫర్ దట్ పేమెంట్ సార్. అందులో దెర్ ఇస్ నో డౌట్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. దట్ యాన్యుటీ రేట్స్ ఆర్ ఫిక్స్డ్ ఫర్ లైఫ్ లాంగ్. మీకు సర్టిఫికేట్ లో ఉంటుంది సార్, దట్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ లైక్ ఫిక్స్డ్ డిపాజిట్. దట్ అమౌంట్ కి కంపెనీ లైబుల్ అయ్యింది సార్. మీ దగ్గరగా ఒకటి ఏంటంటే సార్,
annuity rates are same whether with LIC or SBI.
Annuity rates will not be same, sir. Annuity rates, you have to check it. I cannot comment on other people's annuity rates because actually I have not sat in the meeting also because it is not professional to sit when other person is talking. So in general, offline you can just check it out. As present, our annuity rates are better, sir. Simply I can say that. Antakmindi I can check it out. Simple.
Sir, is there any TDS?
Sir, annuity is a income, sir. As per income tax laws, whatever pension you are getting, we don't record any TDS, but it will be part of your income. If at all it is going beyond your 2.5 lakhs or whatever rate is there, you have to pay income tax. We won't deduct any income tax. That is sure.
Another case, for example, you have told guaranteed 20 years after that lifelong. There is a scheme. So up to 20 years, life certificate is not required.
No, sir. Guaranteed for life, guaranteed for 20 years and thereafter for life means if at all death happens before 20 years also, annuity will be guaranteed. That means then no nominee will be paid. No. Who will be paid? Not to the employee, na.
If joint account.
If an employee takes a 15 years guaranteed and thereafter for life option, and that particular employee is as long as alive, we will pay to the employee. If at all employee dies, generally, technically, they have to inform us and nominee should take the annuity in their name.
If he doesn't inform, then he will stop.
Life certificate is there, na sir.
Every year
we will be knowing. వెంటనే కాకపోతే 4 నెలల తర్వాత కూడా మాకు తెలుస్తుంది. లైఫ్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఇవ్వాలి కదా. లైఫ్ సర్టిఫికేట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎందుకు పెట్టారు సార్? ఇట్ ఇస్ చెక్ దట్ వెదర్ ఎంప్లాయీ ఇస్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్.
No, you have guaranteed for 15 years. He will not come and report to you for next 15 years.
no sir, every year
Sir, it will be stopped. It will be paid to the nominee, sir. We will pay. but not to employee, no, to nominee will pay.
No.
Every year they
Asking
apply.
again.
It's a rate is common for every year.
Guaranteed.
Give every year like.
Sir, guaranteed 20 years means that is guaranteed to the nominee if employee is not there. So they have to inform us and the nominee should take balance funds.
No, they may have a joint account, let it go.
No, sir. Like you're
Sir,
asking.
when a person is not there, how we can pay to him, sir? Simple logic, sir.
But every year they're taking life certificate.
Every year.
They have to submit this death certificate and amount will come in favor of nominee, not employee.
The name will be changing from annuity name.
Sir, any queries regarding options, sir?
ఇప్పుడు మీరు 5 years ఆప్ చేసుకున్నారు, 5 years గ్యారంటీడ్ అండ్ లైఫ్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ ఆఫ్టర్ అన్నారు. తర్వాత ఇంకో 20 years సర్వే అయితే 25 years పాటు మీరు ఆయనకి యాన్యుటీ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు.
అంతే కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ guaranteed for 5 years అంటే only death happens before 5 years. Once the 5 years is over, it becomes a life annuity. Once guaranteed period over, as long as employee is alive, it will pay.
స్పెసిఫిక్ గా క్లారిఫికేషన్ 5, 10 వీటి దగ్గర ఆ క్లారిఫికేషన్
అంతే సార్. guaranteed for 5 years and thereafter for life. Guaranteed for 10 years, thereafter for life. Guaranteed for 15 years, thereafter for life. అంటే అంతకాలం పాటు ఆ ఫ్యామిలీకి ఇస్తారు. సారీ అన్నట్టుగా ఎంప్లాయీ లేకపోయినప్పుడు నామినీకి ఇస్తారు. సేమ్ అమౌంట్ విల్ పే టు ది నామినీ.
20 years వరకు. 20 years తర్వాత కూడా ఎంప్లాయీ
thereafter for life అంటే అదే కదా సార్.
అంటే ఎక్కడైనా మంచి స్టార్ మార్క్స్ పెట్టి మీరు కండిషన్స్ అప్లై అన్నది వస్తుందా?
సార్ ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ క్లారిఫై సార్. సార్ బెటర్ జనరల్ గా ఏంటంటే సార్, బిఫోర్ వెంచరింగ్ 100 డౌట్లు అడిగినా కూడా విల్ బి మోర్ హ్యాపీ సార్. ఒక్క డౌట్ మిగిలిపోకూడదు సార్, ఒక్క కూడా మిగిలిపోకూడదు సార్. సార్ చదువుతాను సార్, ఒకసారి చూడండి. 5 లక్షల రూపాయలు మాకు ఇస్తున్నారు సార్. లైఫ్ యానిటీలో 3,413 రూపాయలు ఇస్తున్నాం సార్. రిటర్న్ ఆఫ్ కార్పస్ ఆప్షన్ లో 2,445 రూపాయలు ఇస్తున్నాం సార్. లైఫ్ యానిటీ విత్ రిటర్న్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఆప్షన్ లో 3,200 ఇస్తున్నాం సార్. 5 ఏళ్ల గ్యారంటీ ఆప్షన్ లో 3,300 ఇస్తున్నాం సార్. 10 ఏళ్ల గ్యారంటీ ఆప్షన్ లో 3,300 ఇస్తున్నాం సార్. 15 సార్ ఇది చూడండి సార్, ఇందాక మీరు అడిగారు లైఫ్ యానిటీకి 5 years గ్యారంటీకి అమౌంట్ లో దేర్ ఇస్ నో డిఫరెన్స్. బికాజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో లైఫ్ యానిటీ. ఓన్లీ థింగ్ బిఫోర్ 5 years డెత్ హ్యాపెన్స్ వీఆర్ లైబుల్ ఫర్ 5 years, హియర్ వీఆర్ నాట్. 5 ఏళ్ళు కూడా అక్కడ ఇవ్వాలి, ఇక్కడ ఇవ్వాలి. దాని మీద 10 లక్షలు తీసుకోలేదు. 3,300 లేదు, 3,400. అంటే లైఫ్ రిటర్న్ ఆఫ్ కార్పస్ ఆప్షన్స్ అన్ని ఒక లెక్కలో ఉంటాయి సార్. డిఫరెంట్ ఆప్షన్ లో ఒక లెక్కలో ఉంటాయి సార్. మీరు చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 3,400 ఉంది, 3,200 ఉంది, 3,300 ఉంది, 3,300 ఇవన్నీ ఒకటి. డిఫరెంట్ ఇచ్చే ఆప్షన్స్ 2,400. ఎల్ఆర్ఓసి ఆప్షన్ మీకు ఇందులో ఇవ్వలేదు, ఎందుకంటే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ తేడా వస్తుందని చెప్పి. ఇది మీ జేఎల్ఆర్ఓసి ఆప్షన్ కూడా మీకు అదే ఉంటుంది, 2,400 దగ్గరగానే ఉంటుంది.
థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ లో
సార్
LBROC లో
అంటే ఇది ఏం లేదు సార్. బ్యాలెన్స్ పర్చేస్ ప్రైస్ అంటే ఏంటంటే
వాట్ ఇస్ ద లైఫ్ ఆఫ్, వాట్ ఇస్ ద డెత్ డేట్? Now it is of 60 years purchased. The age of superannuation purchase will be 5 lakhs. And you are giving it 3,242 and you are saying the balance purchase price.
no. Balance will be less kada.
The beneficiary is lived.
It's just like EMI sir. You will be taking your carpus as well as interest for that.
No. Beneficiary is lived up to 40 years.
Okay.
That is nothing but 90 years you can say. Then how much amount is
అంటే దానిలో అది వాళ్ళు ఈఎంఐ కింద ఫిక్స్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్. మీకు ఒక పట్ల రేస్ తర్వాత ద బ్యాలెన్స్ మేబీ 0.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.